In this video, friends, I will show with you step by step how to cancel your plan on Etisalat, your postpaid plan on Etisalat. So friends, all you have to do, you can cancel your plan through calling or through make a message for this number, guys. Just click a new message, write a new message, for example this one, to this number 8006665, and from the text message write I want, for example guys, write this message: I want to cancel my postpaid plan. For example guys, I want to cancel my postpaid plans, and write your all the details for your plan. Write your all details, guys, for your plan here, and click send. Or you can calling the number here, or you can visiting the locate store, and then you can cancel through your account from here by sign up your account and choose your post plan and log in your account sign in option, and then you can cancel through your web. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon. Log in your account and go to subscription and cancel your plan.